Are you interested in how to take long screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A15? If yes, today I will show how to do it. Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Our first step to do that is opening application which have more information on or which you have on the one side of screen, maybe settings, and we press volume down and power keys together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. After that we click this icon and it is scrolling and adding some information to our screenshot. When we have all we need, we press on that and we have our long screenshot with lots of more information. It is in our gallery right now. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.